Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ. So SPY pulled back a very significant bear day today. We did have an oversold bounce, and if there's one thing we've learned in 2017, it's buy when the hourly charts have oversold RSI levels. It turned out to be a really nice opportunity in SPY, as well as a lot of in other individual names. I personally made a 10-15% trade just flipping Tesla weekly calls, and Tesla didn't even have a strong bounce at all. So the names that did have strong bounces, there were very significant weekly option gains. So SPY bounced off the middle Bollinger Band daily support. One thing that stands out to me is we did break that low of last Thursday. So I'm a little bit more skeptical because of that. If we had held that level and seen this bounce, I'd be a lot more bullish looking back to the all-time high. But because we did break that higher low, I'm a bit more skeptical, and I am watching hourly timeframes. The hourly bounces are rejecting from some key moving average resistances, and they're going to have to form higher lows and then higher highs for us to be believers that these hourly bounces have momentum and follow through behind them. Otherwise, we are definitely going to remain a bit skeptical, and if we do not see follow through tomorrow morning on the hourly time frame, we will be looking for the bears to remain in control. So the weekly time frame for SPY is a bearish reversal candlestick after essentially 6 green weeks in a row. Normal healthy consolidation currently ongoing, and we'll see if that can. We're very likely to form a bearish reversal candlestick with 2 more trading days left to go. So that's where we're going to stand heading into next week, and we need to be cautious of a pullback. IWM dump as well. Bulls buying the dip, long lower wick off of the lower Bollinger Band support. Our new support is the low here, 147.22. It's still very healthy consolidation. It's been a long time. It's taken a long time to play out. The weekly time frame is a bull flag holding exponential supports. There are no red flags for the bulls. And as I keep saying, we could pull all the way back to the 144s and still be just fine on this daily chart. So this is an extremely strong trend of consolidation. And even if we dump down, it's still a higher low pattern that's not going to break anytime soon. You see this weekly chart, we could pull back on this weekly chart, even more extreme. Anything above 133.82 is a higher low. We could pull back to 140 and still be in a weekly uptrend. QQQ, bulls buying the dip here as well, trying to defend the daily middle Bollinger Band. We closed on it to the penny. So our new support is the low of 146.33, and we got resistance at 148.30 and 149.04. Bulls need to confirm this candlestick after the long lower wick. We need to see a green day of follow through to see confidence. And what that's going to look like, again, on the hourly chart, we have our dump, the high of the bounce, and into tomorrow, we have to see a higher high breaking the high of the bounce with follow through tomorrow morning. QQQ, bearish reversal doji last week after 3 weeks of upside, pulling back from that, confirming that doji right now, and watching to see if we are going to pull back to the middle Bollinger Band support, which has been the area that we find support after these periods of consolidation. So consolidation, 2 weeks of upside, month of consolidation, 2 weeks of upside, 3 weeks of consolidation, and we're watching for that pattern to potentially continue. And of course, we have earnings in the tech sector. We've got Amazon and Google tomorrow. That's going to have a significant impact on the tech sector as a whole, as correlations will be definitely in line with those plays, and QQQ will have the most to gain or lose in reaction to that. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see what those earnings bring tomorrow after the close.